we are headed up the mountain for the 2020 general season turkey tag here in Utah. So been scouting a little bit, got a good spot place. Got a good spot that I'm gonna be setting up a blind. I've got the bed of the truck with the blind, the gun, my backpack, all my stuff. So I'm gonna try my best to self-film this whole hunt and see if we can't blast ourselves a big time. Super stoked. There's quite a few big turkeys out there, so I'm really excited. So if you guys want to see me possibly go destroy a big old time, go ahead and stay tuned. Guys, we are packing in. We got the gun loaded up, we got the blind loaded up, hiking in right now. As I pulled up, I did hear a gunshot, but it didn't sound like a shotgun. So I don't know what it was. Maybe it was a shotgun, but anywho, spot. It's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm trying to get an early setup because they tend to come out at 4:30ish and then they go back into the woods until about 6. So I didn't want to spook them at that like 4 o'clock time, so I decided to come about an hour early and see if we can get a good spot on this blind. So super stoked to be able to film this one. Stoked to get some action in on some turkeys. Alright guys, just got here in the blind. Just about so hike in here. It's about 65, 70 degrees, so it's pretty toasty. Today we're using the 12 gauge Remington 3.5 inch 6-shot with my Benelli super pump. I'm pumped to be here, so they've been coming around right here, but also right here behind me. So I'm about a 35-yard shot max in each direction. So it should be pretty good shooting if they come in their regular spot. So we're just gonna sit in here, stay posted up for the next few hours, get ready for them, and these ones come in right before dark. So it's gonna happen fast once they come in. All right, been here for about an hour, just chilling. Haven't seen or heard anything yet, so what time is it? It's 4 o'clock, so I know they hit up the other side of this field at about 4:30, 5 o'clock-ish. So I came in early, so I didn't bump them on my way, because I got to pass that field on the way over to the spot. A bunch of jakes and hens hang out over there. There is an albino bearded hen that does hang out over there that if she showed up over here tonight, it'd be freaking sweet. It'd be a sweet turkey to shoot. But all the toms, they all are up in the upper field, and they work their way down here, and they all roost right here. The only kind of crappy part is 25 yards this way is private land that I can't hunt, and that's where they roost, is up in his trees. And so a lot of you might be asking why I've got a shotgun versus my bow. Typically I'm out bow hunting. It's because a couple years ago I actually shot a tom with my bow, and just since it's such close quarters in here, he actually, the arrow went through him. It was a body shot, perfect shot. He flew up and ended up on the other property, and couldn't retrieve him, unfortunately. He wouldn't let me. So shotgun, every time I've shot one with a shotgun, they usually just drop right away, so I don't want to run into that problem again. And well, it's been about 2.5 hours. Haven't heard any gobbles or any hens or anything. There was the 3 other hunters that just walked up out of the riverbed down here, popped up and saw the blind, and so they backed out. They were kind, just, respected the hunter's space. They didn't try to come sit right by me. I've had people come literally sit, no joke, like I can't make this up, no joke, like 4 feet from me, knowing I was there. Well, alright guys, that's it for today. We actually had a pretty big tom come by at about 70 yards. I just didn't feel comfortable shooting that far, so he headed onto the other private property, so couldn't chase after him. There was a bunch of jakes, a few hens. They were all roosted right up here, and then those other hunters must have got up or something and spooked them all, so they're all out of the roost. So that kind of sucks. They all headed into a different tree, so I see one still on the ground heading that direction. Looks like Big Tom, actually. If he shows up this way, then I'm gonna shoot him. Well, we had those jakes at like 25 yards. I thought about shooting one, but the one I was about to shoot, the deer actually popped up. Probably see it in that video. And no joke, I'm pretty sure that deer, because she came around downwind and sniffed me and then literally circled me the entire time and ran off any turkey that was coming near me. So I'm pretty sure that she's just trying to protect these freaking turkeys, so that sucks. But maybe next time I'll set my blind up as a decoy and then freaking go across the field. Gotta hurry and break down the blind, pack everything up, and then walk another mile out of here. So sucks going home empty-handed, but you know, it was a pretty good day out here. On our way home, empty-handed, no turkey.